This unit prepared under Department of Information Communication Technology. Under Ethiopian TVT System. Information Technology Support Service Level I. Unit of Competence Name, Applay Quality Standards. Module Title, Applying Quality Standards. By Instructor Ababa Israel. 1.1 Introduction to the Module. The introduction to the module focuses on familiarizing you with the objectives, scope, and key principles of the course or training. Here, the emphasis will be on understanding quality assurance, QA, in production, which ensures that the products you produce meet the required standards, are defect-free, and satisfy customer expectations. The module will cover workplace standards. These are predefined expectations for performance, which could involve safety regulations, operational guidelines, product specifications, or industry certifications. Performance expectations. This refers to the level of quality, speed, or output that is required from you in your role. Meeting these standards ensures consistency in production. Roles in quality control. As part of the production team, your role might include inspecting, measuring, recording, and ensuring that products align with these workplace standards. Understanding where you fit into the quality control process is key. In summary, this section sets the stage for the importance of consistent, high-quality work and the role of quality assurance in achieving that. 1.2 Checking complete work with workplace standards. Once a task is complete, it's crucial to ensure the finished product aligns with established company standards or guidelines. To do this, review your work. Go over the work you've completed to make sure that it meets all relevant specifications, whether that's a product size, finish, or any other quality standard. Meet required quality levels. For example, if you are assembling a product, make sure each part is in its correct position, properly secured, and finished according to the quality control guidelines. If it's a service, ensure you followed all steps in the service procedure. Specifications. This may include dimensions, material quality, weight, color, or any other measurable attribute. Understanding these specifications and checking against them is essential in determining whether the product meets standards. In essence, this step ensures that nothing is overlooked in the process and that the final product is aligned with what is expected by the company. 1.3 Completing work activities. In this section, the focus is on ensuring that the activities or tasks assigned to you are completed on time and meet quality standards. To successfully complete your work, time management, prioritize your tasks to meet deadlines. This could involve planning, organizing resources, and ensuring you have everything needed to complete the work on schedule. Compliance with workplace procedures. Always follow the established steps and methods that are part of the company's operational procedures. This might include safety protocols, specific work instructions, or product quality checks. Final checks. Before considering the task fully completed, conduct final checks to ensure quality and that no steps in the process were skipped or compromised. Essentially, completing work activities is about following through with both timeliness and accuracy, ensuring that all tasks are done correctly and according to company guidelines. 1.4 Identifying and isolating final products with company policies and procedures. Once the product is completed, identifying and isolating the final product is important. This step ensures that the product is correctly marked and handled according to company policies. This may involve packaging, following specific instructions for packaging the product, which may include labeling, sealing, or ensuring it's ready for shipment. Labeling. Ensure that the final product is properly labeled with the correct details, example batch numbers, expiration dates, product codes, etc., which helps in tracking and managing inventory. Storing. If the product is not immediately shipped, proper storage might be necessary to prevent damage or contamination. This includes checking if it's stored in the correct location with appropriate conditions, example temperature, humidity. By following company policies and procedures, you ensure that the finished products are traceable, safe, and meet the necessary guidelines for further handling. 1.5 Recording and reporting faults and causes. When faults or defects are identified in the product, they must be recorded and reported to help understand the cause of the problem and take corrective actions. This process includes: report faults. If a defect is identified, document it clearly with details such as the type of defect, severity, and where it was found. Reporting it to the relevant department ensures proper attention is given. Trace the root cause. Investigate why the defect occurred. Is it a result of a flaw in the materials, production process, or something else? Identifying the root cause is vital for preventing the same issue in future batches. Follow the correct procedure. Most companies have standard operating procedures, SOPs, for reporting defects. These procedures may involve filling out specific forms, submitting reports to supervisors, or initiating an investigation into the cause. By properly documenting faults and analyzing causes, corrective actions can be taken to improve the quality of future products. Summary of key points. Introduction to the module helps you understand the scope of the course and the significance of quality assurance. Checking completed work ensures the product or task meets established company standards and specifications. Completing work activities emphasizes the importance of finishing tasks on time and according to company procedures. Identifying and isolating final products ensures proper handling, labeling, and storage of completed products. Recording and reporting faults and causes involves identifying defects, documenting them, and determining corrective actions to prevent recurrence. Level 2, assess quality of received articles. In this learning outcome, the focus is on ensuring that the materials, articles, and final products you receive, whether from suppliers, shipments, or previous production stages, meet the necessary workplace requirements and quality standards. Here's a breakdown of each sub-learning outcome. 2.1 Checking materials, articles, and final products with workplace procedures. In this step, your responsibility is to verify that the incoming materials, articles, or finished products meet the company's standards, ensuring they are ready for use or distribution. To do this, you need to verify that materials meet workplace requirements. Initial inspection. When materials or products arrive, inspect them immediately. Check for visible damages, defects, or discrepancies from what was ordered or expected. Adherence to specifications. Compare the received goods to the order specifications, size, color, quantity, weight, material composition, etc. For example, if a supplier delivers raw materials, you would need to confirm they match the required grade, quality, and quantity. Adhere to workplace guidelines. Documentation. Use relevant documentation such as purchase orders, delivery receipts, or product specifications to ensure the product matches the agreed upon standards. Sometimes, companies have checklists for different types of materials or products. Receiving procedures. Follow any formal workplace procedures for receiving goods, such as verifying the quantity received, performing quality checks, and signing off on the delivery. By completing this check, you ensure that only materials or products that meet quality standards are accepted into the production process. Example, if you're receiving raw materials like steel for manufacturing, you should check the steel's dimensions and weight to match order specifications. Ensure no visible defects like rust or dents. Check certification or documentation that confirms it's the correct grade of steel. 2.2 Measuring materials, articles, and products with workplace procedures. Once the materials or products are received, measuring them accurately is the next step. It's crucial to follow the correct procedures for measurement to ensure that the materials or products meet the requirements.